This question is from Ashwin Kumar Chibbel. He asks, how are these three modes produced? Is it due to kind of food ingested? Thank you.
These modes of nature is produced, in fact, with the mode of nature, we will eat certain type of food. When a person is controlled by the mode of goodness, he eats the food in the mode of goodness. When the person is controlled by the mode of passion, he eats the food in the mode of passion. So these modes of nature are actually produced from the Prakriti. It is there. And how it is affecting us, that is the question. The modes of nature is many times Krishna is saying very clearly, Prakriti Jair Gunahi. Prakriti Jair Gunahi means they are born from Prakriti. Prakriti Sambhavaga. So these three modes of material nature are Prakriti Sambhavaga. Sattvam, Rajas, Tama, Iti, Gunaha, Prakriti Sambhavaga. So they are produced from Prakriti. But how they are binding us, how they are affecting us, controlling us, that depends upon if we are having attachment to the sense objects. So raga means the attachment. If we are having the raga, then Rajo Guna will come and attack us. Then we come under the control of the Rajo Guna. If we are having raga, attachment. Rajo ragatmakam viddhi trishna sanga samudbhavam. Tannibadnati kaunteya karma sangena deganam. If we are having ignorance, if we don't have the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, then we will be controlled by the Tamoguna. Tamastu ajnanajam viddhi moganam sarva deginam. So tamastu ajnanajam viddhi. So that is ajnanajam, means it is born from the ignorance. So that way, if we don't have the knowledge, then we are controlled by the mode of ignorance. If we have attachment, then we are controlled by the mode of passion. Otherwise, we are controlled by the mode of goodness. But goodness brings the knowledge and happiness, and finally, we will be able to free ourselves from the three modes of material nature. So that way, everything, this Bhagavad Gita knowledge is very important. With Bhagavad Gita knowledge, if you are able to serve Krishna, if you are able to do everything for Krishna, then we will be able to transcend the modes of nature. That means we will not have any attachment to the material sense objects. That means we will not be controlled by the Rajoguna. And that means if you have the Bhagavad Gita knowledge, that means we have the knowledge, we don't have ignorance. So that means we won't be controlled by the mode of Tamoguna. The ignorance will not control us. So that way we will be in the mode of goodness. And when we study Bhagavad Gita, then Sattvam Sukhe Sanjayati. Sattva brings happiness. Sattva brings knowledge. So Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakasakam Anamayam Sukha Sangena Badnadi Jnana Sangena Chanaga. So it will bind one to the happiness, it will bind one to the knowledge. So that way we'll be able to chant Hare Krishna, we'll be able to control our mind. So by fully focusing our mind on Krishna, we will be completely freed from the modes of nature. So this is how the modes of nature are affecting us, controlling us. So if we are in the mode of Rajoguna, then we will eat food in the mode of Rajoguna. If we are in the mode of Sattva-guna, we will eat food in the mode of Sattva-guna, like that. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Guruji.